Welcome to this video on how to get support using the ticketing system on the NSV Connect platform. There are basically three methods to get support with NSV Connect. You can call us at 888-770-0971 between the hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Secondly, you can email us anytime at support@nsvconnect.com. Lastly, we will talk about using the built-in ticketing system. Start by logging into the NSV Connect portal as the administrator. In the left navigation pane, choose the Ticket menu. Here you can see all of your tickets. You can search through all of your tickets much like any other list in NSV Connect, by starting to type the ticket number or any part of the subject or body of the ticket in the search box. You can also narrow the list by searching on the ticket status. You can change the view to tile view, giving you an alternative layout sorting the list into columns by status. Clicking on the Create a New Ticket button will do just that, create a new ticket. Provide a short descriptive subject for your issue, and choose an appropriate topic to help direct the ticket to the correct location. Here we have accounts for any billing questions, sales for any questions on new equipment or services, and support for just about anything else. In the body of the ticket, try and describe the issue you are having. Be as descriptive as possible here. You also have various formatting options should you need them. You can also add an attachment if that can help describe the issue. Only certain file types are accepted, such as text, images, PDF or Microsoft Word documents. Once your ticket is submitted, you will receive an email confirmation. If your attachment couldn't be added, you can reply to that email adding the attachment. Any future correspondence for your ticket will be communicated via email. And all of that correspondence will also be in the ticket here in the portal. Thank you for watching this video on using the NSV Connect ticketing system. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at nsvconnect.com.